Yo,
Yo, what's up, boss?
James, what's good, man?
I'm
What's
all
up,
good. I'm all
ASFX?
Yes, sir. How's your
How
day
we
been?
doing? It's been good. We're green today, so that's nice.
Nice. Yeah, I just had one little quick short on NQ. That's all I had.
Nice. Yeah, let me pull up my chart. You do the same.
Yeah,
Yeah, just a base hit day for me as well. Nothing crazy.
nice.
Yeah, last week ended up being kind of shit. Like it was okay by Wednesday, but then Thursday, I don't know how you fared on Thursday. I was red on Thursday and then Friday no trading, so
No, I had the I was green on Thursday, but then obviously I didn't trade Friday obviously, which I don't think you should.
yeah. Yeah, no, for sure. Definitely not. I mean, maybe you could have made money in the overnight session, but if you were trying to wait for 9:30 open, it just makes no sense. It's like you have an hour and a half to trade essentially.
Sure, sure.
But yeah,
Yeah.
so where am I? I could log into my Apex accounts. I'll show you guys my trades. Took a couple of stabs at these shorts and eventually caught them. So I didn't make as much as I would have liked, but it was a decent little base hit day. My executions.
Sure. Yeah, we are going to be showing, so the guys that can see Atos up at the top there, we are from not we won't be on it today, but from possibly Wednesday or even next week, we'll be showing you. I've been diving a little bit into that volume profile stuff, Zach. So
Nice. So what parts of the volume profile are you looking at?
bro, just trying to I'm brand new, so asking like Claude and ChatGPT, just trying to get into it and looking to see how I can maybe integrate it into my trading. So I've obviously watched a little bit of your course as well, which has been obviously a great help. But maybe you can give us like a little bit of a breakdown how I could potentially use volume profile. I know we'll show Atos on the platform. I'm just still messing around with it, and I know you are in the background too, but that's something they got the heat maps and everything on there. So it can be a little bit overwhelming at first. So I'm still trying
Yeah,
to dive into it, just get used to it.
for
Um,
sure. Yeah, we could definitely talk volume profile today, man. I'm down.
yeah, because I want to see how you're using it and how I maybe can use Atos to the best of my knowledge, advantage in it. Because it is interesting, a lot of the traders that use this volume profile, and you can actually trade directly through the platform too, Zach, I believe.
Oh, can you? That's cool. I
Yeah,
didn't know
you
that.
can. And I think they have a trade copy on it too, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah.
That is
I'll
sick. If
just
you could copy trade accounts like through different
Yeah,
prop firms,
exactly.
that's pretty cool.
Through Atos. Yeah. So it's been I must confirm that, but it's been pretty interesting and something that we will be showing more on stream, right, Zach, going forward.
100%. If you want, I could break down these trades first and
Yeah, let's break down those trades and then let's speak a little bit of volume profile stuff. I'll be interested.
yeah, it sounds good. So, I mean, I was short biased today. Something just told me on the higher time frames that we were going to go lower eventually. So we tapped into this hourly bearish fair value gap, and this was kind of my line in the sand. I thought it was very possible that we would just blow past it and take out this swing high here, but I thought there's a possibility this could just act as resistance and bring us back down. So I started positioning myself to get short once we tapped that hourly fair value gap. So you could see here, first tap, we had a nice rejection. I got short right at the open, got front
Sure.
ran on my target by like a tick, dude, by like, 20 ticks, which is nothing on NQ. Ended up getting a break even there. That was frustrating. Then I get back in again here. Same exact idea. I was like, okay, break even, no problem. I'll get back in here around the same price, get my target. Pops back up again. It was such a difficult first like 30 minutes of the open, just, no direction.
Yeah.
So I ended up taking a full loss on this one. And then I just said, I just started seeing us reject again. And something told me just get back into this because now we created equal lows right here. And I was like, that's going to be a target. There's no way we're going to leave those today. I mean, I speak in absolutes, guys, but you not got to know. That's just how I talk to myself. I understand that
Yeah,
there's no
yeah.
absolutes.
There's all
But
yeah, of course.
I hate when
Yeah.
people go, don't speak in absolutes. It's like, I'm just talking about my thought process, guys. But yeah, so we left those equal lows. So I wanted to target it. I got back in, and this one ended up working out beautifully, which got us up. Let me log in right here. We are
Have you
up.
have you
Nothing
started the stream
crazy.
on ASFX TV, Zach, by the way?
Yeah. Oh, is it not on Ace? Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's
on
not on.
Apex. Yeah.
Oh, interesting. I can't. Let me re-sign in. Yeah, the stream isn't live on ASFX TV. Yeah, that's what I was
Oh,
thinking.
wait, I know it. Fuck me. I know what I did wrong. Hold on. I'll fix that right
You
now.
could. You could.
Okay, here, you want to take over? Get the screen. I'll fix that real quick.
Yeah, I can. I was just trying to fiddle around in the back end on Atos, but we can. Let's go like this. Let's share my screen. There you go. Okay, I've got my screen up.
Oh, God damn, what am I doing?
There you go.
There you go.
Yeah, so I mean, my short, I missed the longs. I like the longs, the quick little scalp along at the open here, but I actually took a short from this level, like 670 back down to like 580. And then I took another quick little scalp short. So those are my 2 trades today. But yeah, let's see. We'll see what we do get in today's session. It does look like we want to continue lower though, Zach, for sure. Like 1 minute time frame is pretty bearish.
Yeah, I'd love to see us go lower, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree.
So are you thinking about a short?
Potentially, yes. I mean, I would like to be in a short already. So I've already just taken 2 shorts already at similar prices, but this is a little bit too low for me, but I do think it could potentially go lower.
Okay, we are live on ASFX. There we go.
I can see we in the chat there.
Yeah, it looks like we're going lower though.
Yeah, I agree with that. Yep, I agree with that.
These accounts too, bro. I'm gonna pull back. I just wanted to go over the P&L. I'm pretty close. Well, I'm not pretty close, but we're close-ish. We need $1,000 on these Apex accounts. I need to get them to 53.5, and that'll be a $10.5 thousand payout with Apex, which would be great if I could do that before June. June is over. But yo, James, I took another payout with that E8 account, bro.
I know, bro. But how's it working with the drawdown now? Like, how much room do you have left in drawdown?
I only have $2,000 of drawdown.
Oh, okay. So it's not great after like the first payout, basically.
No, because it goes to up to your initial balance like a futures prop firm. So I just said fuck it. Like I did it once and then I did it again. So I got about 4,000 total payouts.
Yeah, well, you paid $400 for it and you made $4,000 in less than a month. So
yeah, it was $400 for the account. So I turned 400 into 4,000 in literally 3.5 weeks. So not bad.
Yeah, I'm just busy taking photos here. I've been messing around with it. Now it's logged me out again, but don't put my screen on yet. I want to just see how I can get this Atos thing working again.
Look at this, the calendar on this account, bro. It's sexy. My biggest red day is $186, and my biggest green day is.
Have you been swing trading it?
About 2,000. I've done swing trades. I've done day trades. I've done like everywhere in between too. Yeah. I haven't held anything like for an entire week, anything like that, but I've held multiple trades overnight. Like usually, like I might get into a trade in the PM session and hold it into the Asia overnight and into New York. Nothing else crazy. I haven't held any trades for more than one overnight session as well. So not any crazy swings, but yeah, that's one thing I like about the account is that I can do that. I have the option. Only thing is you can't make that much money with this account, bro. Like you can't.
Yeah, you can't.
I can't copy trade. There's no payout cap, but there's a profit cap per day. So maybe if I had like 2 of the 200K accounts, that you could do decent money with like over the span of a few months, if you can milk payouts, but it's cool. I still prefer futures. Futures are where I'm going to get those 5-figure payouts, each and every month.
Yeah. I mean, the two-step are better than those drawdown accounts. I agree.
Yeah. I got to go 2-step maybe next time. But yeah, it's a cool account, so I'll keep trading it. I'm literally, bro, I'm just gonna keep doing this until they blow. So eventually, like if I make 2,000 in it again, I'm just gonna take out 2,000. And if I could do that 5 times, I made 10 grand before I blew the account. So we'll see.
Yeah, no, 100%.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just busy trying to get this up in the back end, but yeah, very very interesting price action today. After we've kind of come down, we haven't really done too much,
No, it's kind of slowed down quite a bit. It's real slow.
Yeah.
What about Curtis and Armando? How we doing, guys? Sorry, we were a little late there. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what we should do here. If I should trade. Like the problem with Apex now, dude, it's not a problem. It's a good thing. But technically, if I made $1,000 right now, well, yeah, I think so. Yeah, if I made $1,000 today, I could take out this Apex payout today because the consistency score is only 50%. So now I'm going through those temptations where you're like, maybe I should keep trading. Maybe I find a nice
Sure.
move. But I don't think I'm just gonna leave them locked up.
See ya.
Let's put on some tunes. Let's get the tunes out, chat. How's my audio, James? I got a new mic set up here, a little headset.
No, you you sound good, bro. I like it.
Okay, that's good.
Oh, dude, no, it's not working. Just trying to get this thing set up. There we go.
Yeah, you need to hit up your fans, bro. You need to make some AI rap.
Okay, cool. So we're live on socials here. How's everyone in the Ace of X TV chat going, by the way?
We're chilling. How did Austin and Randy and Evan do today? They make money?
I'm not too sure.
We got Brittany in the chat. What up, Brittany? Good morning or good afternoon. Oh, I also got some FFF accounts, Funded Futures Family. You know, we talked about those.
Yes.
But I got a couple of Premier accounts, so I made some money on those today, but they're just challenges. I think I made like 1,000 on them. I got 350Ks. Oh wait, wrong accounts. FFF. There we go. Yeah, here's the trades. Am I still on my screen? Yeah.
Yeah, to keep your screen on. I'm still trying to just get in here, bro.
This is such a good example of Wassel. Wide ass stop loss. This is it right here, bro. Wassel gang. I don't care that it goes against me for about, 25, 30 minutes. I had an idea. And I added into it. Look where we got this beautiful add in right here, bro. Beautiful executions. Wassel gang in full effect. But just evals. So what, I'm up halfway to the target. Now I could pass these in a day. They are 1 day pass. Maybe I'll try to have fun and just pass them. I don't know. I gotta see a setup I like. What?
Which prop firm is that?
Funded Futures Family.
Oh, yes.
You know what? I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna fucking trade one mini short and try and look for a low a day. Because now I have a nice buffer in them. Honestly, I think it's a valid setup. 30 micros. So 10, 10, 10. I should really just do this on NQ. 3. So we do 1. Let's go. We're going for it. We're risking it all. Risking it for the biscuit. Watch this go against me immediately the whole way.
The Zach 9 shit, baby. Hey.
I got these accounts for free too. I do not treat free accounts nicely. Come on. So now if I risk the whole drawdown, because it's end of day drawdown, I have 300 ticks of buffer before I'm back at break even. And then I have another 300. So we're looking for a negative R setup here. This is what our setup would look like. Pass. I do think I picked a dumb entry, but we'll see.
But if you got a live wide stop, I think it's
yeah, like we're kind of trusting the overall direction. Because this would be like really the whole idea is invalidated right here. So we'll see. Maybe we'll get some accounts funded here on stream.
Yeah, this one's a sick one.
Candles Dance.
Yeah.
Dude, I got to get the other songs on here. There's so many. We have so many on the other stream on PFM. Damn, this thing went against me immediately. Made money off the double break this morning, says Justin. Ryan short on MES. Armando got short. Okay. It's like most of the chat is green. Dude, this thing's going against me immediately. Ah. Bruh. Damn, we have an unmitigated 15-minute fair. We're probably going to go up to this fucking fair value gap, dude. I might actually get cooked on this. Oh, what happened to my monitor? Damn. There we go. Chat, L or W trade here. L or W negative risk reward trade. We're looking for 0.5 R. What do you think if you had to pick? Okay, here we go. Get back down
there. I still like it, bro. I think we could flush to end the day.
That's all I need is end of day, and then we got him passed. Or not end of day. I need low a day. I mean. Okay. This is like the good instrumental. We're going to London this week, JB.
Yes,
well, not you. Well, I'll be seeing Austin there.
Well, nice. Yeah, I'm just going to be chilling, bro. I'll be on streaming with the guys.
Honestly, bro, it's like I'm just getting settled into the new place. I almost don't even want to go anymore. Like, I just want to stay home.
I like traveling, bro.
I like traveling.
I need to come back to New York with you, bro.
You're always welcome in New York, bro. This is your city. You're a Brooklyn boy. All right.
Brooklyn, baby.
Brooklyn, baby. All right, coming back down a little bit. My entry is at 578.50.
There we are, coming back down a bit.
I'm just trying to pass some evals. It'd be great. If we hit low a day, they're passed.
And many of the double breakers were nice, Justin, short on MES. Nice. Okay, cool. You guys did well to take that trade because that did flush quite quickly.
Nope, right back up. Ooh. 23 minutes in, we've done nothing, but we're not invalidated either.
Yeah. I'm just having a look at ES. YM is also looking like it wants to come lower. ES just chopping around since that sell-off, bro. Hasn't really done much.
Yeah. Once the market slows down, like especially ES, it becomes impossible. You got to go NQ if you're looking to scalp this chop. Mm-mm.
Trying to get this thing set up. How did I do it last time?
What are you trying to do?
Get the DOM on Atlas.
Yeah, I gotta look into all that.
Yeah.
Are you gonna be a DOM guy? You're gonna look at the DOM?
No, I'm DOM and the volume profile and stuff like that. I just want to have a look at it because especially for scalping, like I think it could be quite cool.
I mean, bro, a lot of people get way more in depth on volume profile than I do.
Ooh.
You know, I'm like an oversimplified volume profile guy.
Yeah,
but
no, for sure.
there's a lot you could learn if you want to like dig deep into it. There's a lot of stuff you could learn. What do we think?
Yes, it's coming down.
ES following suit a little bit.
Yeah,
going
Google
nowhere.
was down 6% at one stage today.
Wow, SpaceX is down too. I think I'm making a prediction. SpaceX is going to $100, bro. Easy. Easy. That's just going down before it goes up. The chop is real. The chop is real.
Yeah, if you are watching this online, the guys also the guys also are live with Open, so code first gets you a free month. So make sure to check that out.
Yeah, they were live today. I'm gonna drop the link for you guys if you want to check
I think
it
they
out.
did get that. Yeah.
This link right here, guys, will get you a month totally for free. asfx.biz/first. Damn, this is boring. We got to get back below this value area low, which we're currently sitting back above it, which is at 577, 575 around there. My entry is at 578, so I pretty much entered right on the value area low. I want to see a nice strong push back below it.
Sure,
I could see us pushing up first, though, man. I hope we don't, but like I do have an unfilled gap up here. Like this wouldn't be that insane. Where you do something like this. Wait. Tap into that gap, push it down. It would just be a lower high on the 15-minute. So this trade could end up getting cooked. It's really slow.
Yeah, this is why I'm coming down a little bit. What I like the new view though.
Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, we're getting settled in still. We're just about unpacked. It's nice, man. I like looking out. The old apartment, I had no such view. At 4 walls, I'd be staring at. What are you trying to do? You taking a picture to post? What are you doing over there?
I'm trying to get this thing set up again. Like, I had it logged in. I was trying to show the heat map. It was pretty cool, but now it's skunking out. Maybe I'm a muppet. I don't know. Probably user error.
Probably. You should hit up Luna, bro. Luna's a big Atis guy. He uses Atis a lot. Come on, NQ. Just give us one more low a day. We broke initial balance low, so we have really very low probability that we're going to make a new high day. I mean, that's pretty set in stone. Problem is, we don't need to make a new low a day, I guess, either. We could just chop around.
Yeah.
One of my least favorite things to do is when my trade needs to make a new low of day or high a day. I like to get in and out within the range. Does that make sense? Like maybe get in at an extreme of a range, but also get out in the middle of the range instead of needing to like see a new break.
Yeah, well, what's your entry price on NQ?
578, 578.
Okay. The video looks like we want to roll over again. We had low of day, so if that can break for low of day, that should help.
Okay, good. Yeah, NVIDIA was pretty bearish today from what I saw.
Yeah. So this is the Atis platform. I'm just trying to get it up working like it was. So you can see the all the stuff on here, Zach. But we'll get into more depth as time goes on these streams. I think you'll like it, bro, especially with the volume profile, just having a look at it, you know?
Yeah, I've always thought about getting into the current day's volume profile. I think Randy uses that. I know he uses higher time frame volume profile. Like he looks at previous weeks, previous months, value areas, and point of control, which I've never done. And he also looks at previous days, but all I use is the previous days, man. I don't do anything else right now.
Sure.
So it'd be cool to...
There comes NVIDIA new low of days. This should help your NQ, bro.
Yep. I'm back at entry. We're back at my price is back at my entry. So let's see. We also got this little fair value gap that we're inside. So if we can get a 5-minute closure below this, I think this will kick it off. But we need to get the closure. That's kind of what I'm watching. Because that fair value gap also lines up nicely with the value area low of the previous day. So it could also be a bullish confluence level. Like there's someone getting long on the retest of value area low and that fair value gap together. Where I'm looking to see it break back below it.
There you go. Here comes a flush, bro. NVIDIA is just taking low of day.
I mean, I'm following the trends of the day, so hopefully my idea is higher probability.
Sure.
I also don't like the way this looks. Doesn't look very bullish. This we're not really we're not really making higher highs and higher lows. We're kind of just chopping around here with no significance. Brittany is asking, is it true that the more times a support or resistance level is touched, the more likely it is to be broken? From my experience, yeah, 100%.
Yes.
Yeah. Because think about it like this, Brittany. The more times you touch that level and you don't get a reaction away from it, it's showing people that there's no buyers or sellers interested in that area, right? So eventually you keep retesting it. It's just going to break down because usually if a level is strong, you're going to see a push away from it right away. But if it keeps coming back to revisit it, it means that there's not much aggressive buying or selling over there. People aren't as interested. So that fair value gap though, still holding. All right, 1:30 p.m. Usually we'll see a little volatility injection here. All right, my trade's coming back a little bit. Coming back to life.
Yeah, NQ. Well, Nvidia is taking sweeping new lows of days, as I said. So it should come down, bro. Wine is with a massive bar down at the moment.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, we got a visitor. We got Zoe in the building here. Our nanny, who's also our sister-in-law, is in Mexico for the week, so it's a bit busy over here right now. Hopefully she's not too loud, right, Zoe? Yeah. Hopefully you stay right there. She's only gonna be around for like 5-10 minutes. At least that's what the wifey promised me. We'll see. All right, we're back in profit. We got to get below this fair value gap, guys. I've been studying your course and really good stuff, says Armando. Hey, I'm thinking you're talking about me because James's course isn't up yet. So thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Yeah. The key with that course is, you can kind of take what you want to take, leave other parts of it at the door, use what works for you. Like a lot of people watch that course and they still use VWAP, because I know a lot of, most people watching that course on ASFX TV are like VWAP people, but a lot of people are like, hey, okay, I'll look at fair value gaps. I might look at volume profile in conjunction with VWAP, and that's solid. This market's boring as hell, dude. Every day, PM session is just so boring these days. Terrible advertising, but it is. It's like just impossible to trade this shit day in and day out. All the moves happen in the morning and then it's over. And then it just does nothing. Zach, can you explain draw on liquidity? Yeah, draw on liquidity is essentially a fancy word for directional bias, right? Looking for not just how do I get into a market that's going up, right? Or how do I get into a market that's going down with an entry signal, right? It's why is the market going down and why is it going to continue going down, or vice versa? Why is it going to continue going up? And it's about creating a narrative for why, which is very important in my opinion. So most of my trades are framed around draw on liquidity, not, oh, the market's moving up, so it must continue going up. It's the market's moving up because there's a double top up there. So the liquidity is pulling the market there, or it's going up because there's a unmitigated fair value gap. So that's the idea in a nutshell. It's why first and then how. How do I get in once I know why? That's kind of like a, vague, but I think that's like the basics of how it works.
Jeez,
what are you looking at, James? You want me? Yeah, it's so slow. Look, I mean, it held that fair value gap and it's holding value very low. So,
no, someone's saying, yeah, Mass, I see you passed your FTMO today. Well done, bro. Very, very well done.
Nice.
Yeah. He's been going at it for quite some time, so it's been good to see you get a pass, bro.
Oh, so are you working with them? Are they in the Black Shirt Club or anything?
Yeah, he just follows me on socials.
Very nice. How to mark a valid DOL. So a valid draw on liquidity, there's many different types, right? You have double tops, double bottoms, stacked lows or stacked highs. You have untouched fair value gaps, right? Imbalances. You have session liquidity like Asia, London session, highs and lows. Those are like the main three.
Yeah, jeez. Slow, bro. So yours was 576, yeah? Your entry.
Yeah, my entry's 578. It's just doing nothing.
Yeah, it is at some of those pre-market levels. I mean, it has been pretty stagnant. Interesting, we did come up and respect previous week's highs on NQ almost to the point. So I would not be surprised to see something maybe like this rest of the week back down, Zach.
I'd love nothing would make me happier than to see this market continue going lower.
Yeah.
Just because I want us to get out of price discovery, man. I just hate trading in price discovery. Plus, it's the summer. Volume should start slowing down a little bit. I mean, it's tough in these days because we have war. So will volume really slow down? Probably not. I think the reason the market gapped down was because of the Strait of Hormuz news. Apparently,
yes.
Like, it's so funny, bro, because JD Vance went on a bunch of podcasts kind of like bragging about how it's over, it's open. And then over the weekend, it gets shut down again. So that's why the market gaps down. But then now it's back open again. So sure. I don't know. Who knows? It's like for the 50th time. Point is, it creates a lot of volatility in the market. So normally it could be a slower couple months usually in the summer. But I don't know if we're going to have that slowdown with everything going on, is my point.
Jeez, this is slow. Yeah.
Yeah, there's really nothing happening here. Like, it just looks like the market is paused.
Yeah, bro, this is yeah, I mean, as I said, like NQ, let's just have a look at ES as well. ES looks a little bit more bearish, bro, I must say, than NQ, at least right now on the hourly.
Yeah, it's been more bearish. It's been easier to short ES technically if you're a bear.
Yeah. We're trading right at slap bang in the middle of last week's range. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, here's my trade. Just sitting there.
I'm flat right now. I got the 2 nice shorts, so I'll probably just leave it there like that, Zach.
Yeah. I mean, I would not touch funded accounts on this, guys. That's for sure. No need to trade your fundeds here. Waiting for the gap fill on SPY. The gap, it wasn't filled on what? On the options, it wasn't filled? That's interesting. Yeah, it was filled on futures.
Filled on futures, yeah.
All right, Zoe is gone. Back to normal. Dude, you realize if you probably don't need help. Do you get help, James? Because I
Yeah,
feel
three
like
times. Three
oh
times.
they
a week.
do. But does Amanda work? She doesn't work, right?
No.
Yeah, so you guys got it made, you and Austin. See, Sarah wants to be a hard-working woman. She wants to work. When we don't have the nanny, it's like I don't even know. I don't know how we would do it, bro. Shit would be impossible. There's people doing that though. I don't know how they do it.
Yeah, dude, this is so slow. Oh my goodness.
It's like it's nothing to do, man. I'm just chilling.
It's literally done nothing.
Should I just add in another 20 contracts? If I add in another 5 minis, James, all it has to do is go down 5 points and I'll pass. This shit's gonna go up, dude. It's gonna go down later, if anything. Dude, how did you end up making money on Thursday? What'd you do? Longs or shorts?
Thursday, I took 2 quick longs on Thursday.
Damn, that market was terrible, bro.
Yeah, Thursday I took 2 quick longs on NQ live on stream.
I ended up being red and I got off, and then I decided to hop on. I just wanted to watch PFM TV at the end of the day, and I literally watched Alex, homie teammate Alex, blow like 15 accounts on stream from Tilt. But that was like some tilty price action. Like if there's ever a day to tilt, it was Thursday.
That's funny.
I literally watched him go into like he was trading normal the whole day, but just taking little losses all day, trying to get a trade. And then I just see him finally. There's like literally like 8 minutes left of the day, and out of nowhere, he was trading like 1 mini on ES, and he all of a sudden he just places like a short 7 minis on ES. He doesn't even say anything. Like he just does it. And blew all his accounts, or blew a good chunk of them in like.
Oh my goodness. Dude, what the hell?
It gets the best of you sometimes.
Bro, it can be super frustrating.
What up, Murray? Murray's in the chat. How do you maintain a good mindset while going through this chop? Just don't even just detach from it.
Stars. Yeah.
Literally just detach from it. Who cares that it's choppy? You know? Evening, gents. I'm struggling to get well. I tried a couple of months ago at Top Step. Wait, I'm struggling to get well. I tried a couple of months from Top Step from South Africa with my Capitec. So I don't know if you need a credit. I don't know what this question's about. It sounds like a South African question, James.
Even James, I'm struggling to get well. I tried a couple of months ago on Top Step from Capitec. So I don't know if you need a credit card one. Bro, personally, I would say just trade with like Top One futures and that. Top Step. I think they only have bank withdrawals as well, so I would just go trade with Top One or one of or Traderfire or Hydra. Those 3 ones are better for us South Africans. You probably do need a credit card to buy Steve with Top Step. You probably do need a credit card as a South African. I've personally never tried with Top Step, but you probably do need a credit card. Yeah. Are
you still trading those Hydra accounts, James?
Still am, yeah. Slow basics, but yeah. I know you can copy trade, but yeah, I'm just going slow and steady. I've got 3. I've got a Traderfire, Top One, and Hydra, but my main focus is my personal cash and FTMOs. That's what I'm always focused on. But those are just running in the background. Like if I see a nice day to trade it, I'll have it as well.
Gotcha. Can you explain why you took long? I wish I was in a long.
Nah.
Yeah, this thing's going up to that 15-minute gap, guys. I think these evals are probably just going to go back to break even. I was trying to pass them in a day. This is where we're at. So I was up 1,500 on them. Now we're floating 500 so far that I'm up, but I'm down 900 on this trade. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I think we're going up to that 15-minute gap.
Yeah, it hasn't been a day to be aggressive. That's for sure.
Definitely not. I traded 2 micros here. Like I've been trading 2 micros, and we still made like 250 on all 7 accounts. So it's like a good day. But you don't need a lot of contracts. You do not want to be trading too many contracts.
Sure. I mean, we've literally moved up and down like 100 points on NQ.
Yeah. The way I got that second payout, James, from E8 was I shorted the breakdown at market open last night.
Okay.
Nice. So I shorted this. Yeah. I'd show you here. Yeah, right there.
Yeah, on Asian Open, yeah.
Yep. Short, added in one more short right here, and then got out of them both here. And then just took the money. Literally made $2,000, withdrew it. That's what's cool about this account. So if I do that again, I'm just going to withdraw it. Have you guys tried Funded Hive? No, never heard of them. What up, Vincent? Mari says he's long from the sweep of previous lows and he dropped a markup. Let's see. Nice, dude. Looks good.
Nice.
That's literally what I think. Like, that's that 15-minute gap where your target is. What account is that? This is an E8 Pro account. So it's that one. It's CFD.
Yeah.
That has one step. It's a one-step challenge. Static drawdown. Static drawdown until you get a payout. Then it trails. But still, it's pretty cool. 2% profit cap per day. 2.5% daily loss limit.
Yeah, NQ actually flipping now at the moment.
Yep, totally flipping. Yeah, it's a cool account. It's cool. Now it's worth trading. Would have been nice to get the 200K. Maybe I try that one next. I don't know. I think the 2 steps are still better.
Yeah, just once you get them passed, they obviously take a little bit longer to pass, but I think once you do get them passed, they are better for the payouts, you know.
Yeah, exactly. The 2 steps are just harder to get, but once you get them, you're cool breezing.
Once you get them, they're nice, yeah.
Yeah, the 2% profit cap, 2.5% daily loss limit also just helps you. It helps you never over leverage, because if you do, you'll breach the account. Sure. And also helps you lock in gains.
Is it a soft breach if you hit the?
It's a hard breach, bro. If you hit the 2.5% daily loss limit, it's a hard breach, so you can't do it. Yeah, so you really got to lose 2%, so you don't risk it.
Yeah. You got to keep it within, Yeah, NQ picking up some momentum, yeah.
Yeah, I guess I'll just let these accounts do what they got to do. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Currently at pretty much the break-even point again.
Yeah, slow afternoon.
Very slow. Maybe before we go, let's get a quick P&L check in the chat. What are you guys up? Up or down? Murray says, I'm focusing on the 2-step pro accounts with top 1. They're cheap and the rules are super fair. That's cool, man. Yeah, also, I think the E8 accounts, I don't think they have two-step accounts for sale anymore, James.
Yeah, no, they don't. Also, they took them away. I think Oaks are making too many bucks on them, bro.
That's crazy. Like, are there 1-steps? So all of them have a trailing drawdown of some type then?
Yeah, all of their accounts. Yeah.
So that for you, that's like you're just not interested in them then.
Well, I'm not. I mean, not at the moment, no. I don't. Yeah. I mind trying it, but like one account and seeing how it goes. But like, I prefer the static drawdown.
Yeah, totally. I mean, I feel like that's the purpose of
Trading the
the
CFDs.
Yeah.
Yeah. I still think it's easier to get payouts on instant funded accounts. That's why I still trade like in the background with Top One Hydra and Tradeify. But I do think that once you got the thing, it's a bit better.
Yep. All right, should we get ready to bounce?
Yeah, bro. I mean, this is slow price action. I think we probably maybe just close a bit higher, maybe back at opening range. It just looks like it's continuing high right now.
Yeah, chill Monday, up on the funded account, so that's good. Other than that, just that's it, man. Nothing crazy going on here.
Yeah.
All right.
No,
all right,
good
dope.
stuff, Zach. Yeah, we can.
All right,
call
bro.
it there and- yeah.
All right, I'll talk to you later, I'm sure, bro. But chat,
Yeah.
peace out.
Peace out, guys.
Later.
Cheers, Zach.